In this part of our tutorial, we want to go into the main subjects, how to place the diffusers, and also placing the mechanical equipments like roof cabinets and handrails and other equipments. So we go to the rooftop units for the project and roof diffusers. So we have different types of the diffusers. Maybe you need to use the wall diffusers. I'm gonna show you some examples. Here we have some companies which make the diffusers, and also from the Beam Object website you can download your desired one. These are our websites. These are the wall diffusers. So, for example, it's placed on the wall and name them sidewall diffusers. Maybe it could be ceiling types, okay? Ceiling diffusers. In our project, we use this type for supply and return, okay? For exhaust system, we will use the electrical one, which has a fan for our WC or bathroom. And Teta's websites have different types of the family. I go to the products. Different types are available. It belongs to your design and your company opinion. Maybe the family of the diffuser is not available. You can use similar one. For example, Tita's HVAC I suggest, or you can go to the software, select the REVIT models, and REVIT models are available. For the models, you can go to the product tab and write the model name and download it from other websites. You can use the website for the downloading family types. I go to the drawings in resources section, and you can download family with LOD 200 or 300. Lowers are available, dampers are available, fans. By selecting the family, you can download different types of them, REVIT files or CAD file, 3D or 2D. These websites are very famous, but also other websites are available, and you can go to the Beam Object websites and search the keyword you want, for example diffuser, and easily download it. It is necessary to register in the website and have an account, and account of Autodesk and Google's is possible to use. Okay, return to the project. I downloaded the families and shared them with you to use it. For placing the diffusers, I have to go to the ceilings, sorry. So I haven't here. I need to add it. So go to the view and reflected ceiling plan and add levels which you want to add ceilings to them. So you can go to the view template. I do not like to do this now. Coordination has been added here. If I select the reflect, edit types, mechanical setting, okay, select level 1 and 2. So the coordinations has not been added to here. Okay, so drop ceilings which architect has added to the project is possible to see here, but its settings must be configured in the view template. These settings belongs to level 1 view template, mechanical one, and it's also available for level 2. Any changes which you made in level 1 will change in level 2 because the templates are the same. I check the TCAFTON. I made the option button to the custom. I don't want to see the grids. I mean architecture grids. Apply OK. OK. So it changes for level 2 too. You have to change the settings, the accesses, 3D, 2D. The reason is if the 3D is active, it will change for all the views. So it is better to active the 2D setting. Okay, we mentioned this in the previous lessons. 2D for this, check this. Okay, you can change the shape of the line, deactivate the 3Ds. Okay, you can do this for the level 2. So I add the ceiling level, and it is necessary to place the equipments. I will explain them in the next file.